Yeah, 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 yeah. This journey, this road that I travel on, it all seems crazy. Over the years, I picked up thousands of tag-alongs, inspired by my story. From a juvenile, when my clothes had holes in them, and my afro was picky, to them 90s, Moschino and Versace, no laces in Arachis. New millennium, gained a lot of street power. They say the Muslims hit the towers. '02, I'm in the room with couple brothers, and I took my shahada from listening to Mobb Deep and Tupac their mama. Now I'm reading couple hadiths and the Sirah of Abu Bakr, reading Surah Imran from Ayah 103. Don't take my life unless I'm in a state you're pleased. I've been around the world and back, and I got myself a baby. There's Sumaya, Baba's on the mic again, and this is my story. They told me Dad just had a heart attack. He ain't even took his shahada, man, how hard is that? I was on my way to Wells, East Western train. Another day, another job, trying to make a change. I know loneliness kills the heart, but over time it strengthens the mind. And me and Mary seem to stay apart. I guess I never met the right kind. If I ain't working, I'll be with Sumaya. If I ain't with Sumaya, then you find me working. I thought it could have happened when I met Khadija. I guess we didn't put the right work in. Now I'm walking down this broken road, broken heart coming from a broken home, trying to find my other 50% before my actions earn me getting stoned. Living my younger brother's dream. They say I'm a pioneer in this Islamic scene, and I ain't even an Islamic speaker. I never preach, I am not a preacher. I just told about my life story, my years of pain to this years of glory. Saved from the ghetto by the holy Qur'an. I call my story from the streets to Islam.
أبحث عن الحقيقة، أبحث عن الإيمان. يا رب مهمتي صعبة فثبتني على الإسلام. أبحث عن الحقيقة، أبحث عن الإيمان. يا رب مهمتي صعبة فثبتني على الإسلام.
I'm homeless, thinking about the homes I had. I'm in this big car, living out a duffel bag, sleeping on the brown sofa, my younger brother's pad. I'm filled with mixed emotions, call them happy and sad. And I won like 2 awards in the past 2 years. I made money from this information in my head, invested in my brain. All the time I spent away, that was beneficial. That's why I love my teachers in Kuwait. But do I, for the Denzel, have a big career? Or do I, with the same heart as Abu Huraira, got the angel on the line telling me Hollywood was near? But at the same time, I had to see the fire getting clear, and the brotherhood got weird. My people turn against me, roadside to fitna, a calculated mockery. I forgive them for the hate, and I love them for the passion. I admit I made mistakes, so I blame it on my actions.
أبحث عن الحقيقة، أبحث عن الإيمان. يا رب مهمتي صعبة فثبتني على الإسلام. أبحث عن الحقيقة، أبحث عن الإيمان. يا رب مهمتي صعبة فثبتني على الإسلام. أبحث عن الحقيقة، أبحث عن الإيمان. يا رب مهمتي صعبة فثبتني على الإسلام. الله